Hello, I'm Verlaine Crawford. I am a transformational coach, an author, and a motivational speaker. I teach the power of wholeness. This has been a very important issue for me because as I was turning 22, I learned that we have our thoughts that create our reality. And I made a list of the things that I wanted, and everything happened by the date that it was there. Then I told everyone about making the list. And I found out that it didn't always happen. Sometimes it partially happened. Sometimes it happened all the way. But it didn't go happen everywhere. So I started a search, a very long search to find out why don't we create what we want all the time if our thoughts create our reality. And what I learned was that we have many subpersonalities within us. Those subpersonalities I call the keepers of our beliefs. And what happens is they have opposing beliefs and they cancel each other out. So you're heading up the curve toward your goal. This other one goes and knocks you down. But guess what? That one that's knocking you down and saying you can't go forward, whether it's in your love, your health, your wealth, or your self-expression, that part thinks it's helping you. So what do? I created a marvelous integration technique, a process that brings those parts together and sees the advantages of both. So I help professional men and women to move forward in their lives, to go further than they ever dreamed possible. And I'd love to do that for you. Thank you.